Have you ever tried making dinner for the whole family in an air fryer, only to realize you have to cook everything in multiple batches? By the time the second batch is done, the first one is already getting cold. It's one of the biggest frustrations with smaller air fryers, and it's exactly why larger capacity models like the Bella 8-quart digital air fryer are getting so much attention. The Bella 8-quart digital air fryer is designed for families, busy households, meal preppers, and anyone who wants to cook larger portions without constantly restarting the cooking process. With its generous cooking capacity, easy-to-use digital controls, and TurboCrisp technology, it promises crispy results with less hassle. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the size. This air fryer is clearly built with family cooking in mind. The silver finish gives it a clean, modern appearance that looks right at home on most kitchen countertops. Despite its larger capacity, the design remains sleek rather than bulky. The touchscreen interface is simple and approachable, making it easy even for first-time air fryer users to get started without digging through a complicated manual. The basket feels solid and well-constructed, while the nonstick coating helps prevent food from sticking during cooking. What makes this especially practical is that it isn't just about convenience during cooking. It also makes cleanup much easier afterward. The crisping tray and basket components remove easily, which can save valuable time during busy weeknights. When it comes to performance, the Bella air fryer focuses on delivering the thing most people actually care about: crispy food. TurboCrisp technology is designed to circulate hot air efficiently around food, helping create that golden brown texture people expect from an air fryer. In everyday use, foods like French fries, chicken wings, frozen snacks, and roasted vegetables come out with satisfying crispness while using significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. One of the biggest advantages of this model is how well it fits into a normal routine. The large basket means you can cook enough food for multiple people at once, reducing the need for repeated cooking cycles. For parents preparing dinner after work or anyone hosting family gatherings, that's a real benefit. Instead of spending extra time waiting for additional batches to finish, you can often cook everything in one session. The 1750-watt heating system also contributes to faster preheating and efficient cooking. While no air fryer is completely silent, the operating noise here is typical for the category and unlikely to be distracting. Most users will quickly forget it's running in the background while preparing the rest of the meal. Cleanup is another area where Bella performs well. The rapid-release non-stick coating helps food slide off more easily, reducing scrubbing and soaking. For many people, the convenience factor doesn't end with cooking. It continues when it's time to wash up, and this air fryer does a good job of minimizing post-meal cleanup. Of course, there are a few trade-offs worth mentioning. Because of its larger size, it requires more counter space than compact air fryer models. If you're working with a very small kitchen, you'll want to consider available space before purchasing. Additionally, while the preset functions are convenient, experienced cooks may still find themselves manually adjusting temperatures and cook times to fine-tune certain recipes. Compared to similarly priced family-sized air fryers from brands like Ninja, Instant, and Kasori, the Bella stands out because it combines large capacity, user-friendly controls, and straightforward operation. Some competitors may offer additional smart features or app connectivity, but many users will appreciate Bella's focus on simplicity and practical everyday cooking. Overall, the Bella 8-quart digital air fryer is a strong option for families and anyone who regularly cooks larger portions. It delivers solid cooking performance, easy operation, and convenient cleanup, while helping eliminate one of the most common air fryer frustrations: limited capacity. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you're looking for a way to cook family-sized meals faster while still getting crispy, delicious results, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.